Hi friends, now we are discussing about the next topic is generating functions about the recurrence relation. In generating function we consider a sequence of real numbers. Consider sequence of real numbers. Let it may be a0, a1, a2, a3 and so on, and it is denoted as a suffix r, where r values are taken from 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Okay, suppose we considering there exists a function f of x whose expansion is a0 plus a1x plus a2x square a3x cube plus a4 x power 4 plus so on. Okay, plus ar x power r and so on. This expansion can be written as summation r equal to 0 to infinity a suffix r x power r. Okay, this f of x expansion is called generating function. This f of x expansion is called the generating function for the for a sequence, which sequence is real numbers from a0, a1, a2 and a3. For a sequence a0, a1, a2, a3, a4 and so on up to infinity. Now considering another example, 1 minus x whole to the power of minus 1. Now write the expansion for 1 minus x whole to the power of minus 1. 1 plus x square plus x cube plus x power 4 and so on. In this expansion we getting the series x coefficient series is as the coefficients of x terms as 1 comma 1 comma 1 up to infinity. Now another example is 1 plus x whole to the power of minus 1. We get in this expansion we get the alternately we get plus minus signs. So here the coefficient of expansion with the x coefficient terms are 1, minus 1, 1, minus 1, 1, minus 1 and so on. Okay, now taking another example, finding the sequence generated by the following function. Following function 3 plus x whole cube. 3 plus x whole cube. We have to common 3 cube. Now the given equation will become 1 plus x by 3 whole to the power of cube. 1 plus x whole to the power of n. Binomial expansion 3 cube NCR x power r. How can we expand 1? Suppose 1 plus x whole to the power of n NCR x power r. Okay, summation r equal to 0 to infinity. Now we have to expand the given series in the form of summation r equal to 0 to infinity NCR x power r. Now we have to expand 1 plus x by 3 whole to the power of cube NCR. In n place what value we have? 3. 3c0 x 3c0 x by 3 whole to the power of 0. 3c1 x by 3 whole to the power of 1. 3c2 x by 3 whole to the power of 2 plus 3c3 x by 3 whole to the power of q. Okay, next 3 cube. 1 plus 3 x by 3 plus 3 into 1 into x square by 9 plus x cube by 27. Okay, 3 cube can be written as 27 plus 1 plus 3 get cancelled, x plus 3x square by 9 plus x cube by 27. Okay, now 27, multiply the 27 to the inner term. 27 plus 27x. When it is cancelled we get the multiple of 9 3 times. 3 3s are 3 3s 9x square plus 27 get cancelled. We get x cube. What is the sequence for the sequence? What the question? Sequence generated by the following function. For this function, sequence generated by 27 27 9 1 0 0. Remaining terms are always 0. Okay. 27 27 9 1 0 0 up to infinity. Okay. Next problem is taking another example, 1 by 1 minus x plus 2x cube. Okay, this expansion 1 minus x in power plus 2x cube. Okay, what is the expansion of 1 minus x whole to the power of x? 1 plus x square x cube and so on. Okay, plus 2 x cube. Okay, 1 plus x cube coefficients are another term is there now. We have to combine those two terms. We get 3x cube. What is the sequence generated for this equation? Sequence generated for this equation is 1 1 1 3 and so on. 1 1 1 3 1 1 1 up to infinity. This is the sequence generated for this equation. Okay, next problem is find the generating function. We have to find the generating function for the following sequence. We have to find the generating function for the following sequence. Now the given value is 1 minus 2 3 minus 4 so on. Okay, how we can write this expansion as, how we can write 1 plus x whole to the power of minus 2. For this expansion is 1 minus 2x plus 3x square minus 4x cube so on. This is the generating function for this sequence. This is the sequence given. We have to find the generating function. This is the expansion of 1 plus x whole to the power of minus 2. For this expansion, we write the binomial expansion. This is the generating function for this sequence. Okay, next problem. Next problem is, we have to consider the next problem is 1 square, 2 square, 3 square. For this sequence, we have to find 1, 2, 3. Means we have to take the same 1 minus x whole to the power of minus 2. For this expansion, we get the positive terms. 1 plus binomial expansion is 1 plus 2x plus 3x square plus 4x cube plus so on. Okay. Now multiplying both sides with x. Multiply both sides with x. Now multiply the given equation with x. What we get? X into 1 minus x square, x 2x square 3x cube plus 4x power 4 and so on. Okay, this expansion can be written as 1 minus x whole to the power of 2. We can numerator term we can be changed into the denominator. So minus 2 can be converted into plus 2. Okay, x remaining term is as it is. Now we can have to differentiate the above equation with respect to x on both sides. What we get the result? U by v. It is in the form of differentiating the x with respect to x. It is in the form of expansion is u by v. Means v square. In v plus what we get? 1 minus x whole to the power of 2 square means it becomes power 4. 1 minus x whole square. With respect to u, we have to derivate what we get value 1 Next, x into derivating the 1 minus x whole square means 2x. 2 into 1 minus x. With internally we have to derivate. What we will get? Minus 1, which is equal to, we have to differentiate above equation with respect to x on both sides. What is the differentiation of x? Is 1 plus x square expansion is 2 into 2x plus 3 into 3x square plus 4 into 4x cube, so on. Okay, 1 minus x whole square and 2x into 1 minus x. 1 minus x whole to the power of 4. Minus of minus plus. Okay, 1 plus 2 square x plus 3 square x square 4 square x cube, and so 1 we can write as 1 square. 1 square value is already 1. Okay, in this expansion we have to common both sides 1 minus x. 1 minus x, remaining term as 1 minus x plus 2x divided by 1 minus x whole to the power of 4. 1 square 2 square x 3 square x square 4 square x cube, so on. 1 minus x, we have to get cancel this term. Next what we will get? 1 minus x plus 2x. 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x whole cube. This is equal to 1 square 2 square x plus 3 square x square 4 square x cube, and so on. This is the generating function. This is the generating function for the above sequence. We getting the same sequence 1 square 2 square and 3 square. We are getting the x coefficient as 1 square 2 square 3 square and 4 square. Seeing the sequence, this is the generating function, means 1 plus x 1 minus x whole cube. This is the generating function for this above sequence.